Welcome to JH. Have you come across that ad about the 3-click Wi-Fi trick claiming you can make $500 daily just by using your internet? It promises no skills, no selling, and basically suggests that your router is a literal ATM. Because as we all know, the internet is famous for handing out piles of cash for doing absolutely nothing. But before you quit your day job, let's see if this is actually legit. First off, we have a major red flag. This is an affiliate program. The people spamming these ads earn a commission every time you sign up or click a link. Their burning desire to help you achieve financial freedom is actually just a burning desire to fill their own pockets. Next, the ad shows one kind of dashboard in the video, but once you click, you're teleported to a completely different page. It's like a digital bait and switch that's about as transparent as a brick wall. The URL situation is equally sketchy. The ad points to something called Net Profit Expert, but you actually end up on pawns.app. This kind of mismatch is a classic sign that you're being led down a rabbit hole. And here's the kicker. They call it a 3-click trick, yet the video only reveals 2 steps. It's a cheap cliffhanger designed to force you to sign up just to see the missing secret. It's not a genuine guide. It's just pure clickbait. So is it trustworthy? Honestly, with the misleading dashboards, URL shell games, and incomplete instructions, I'd say it's a hard pass. While the final platform might be real, the marketing tactics are more suspicious than a free candy sign on a windowless van. Take a moment, think twice, and don't rush into it. Thanks for sticking around until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates.